Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Does going to small claims court go on your record? This is a really common question, and the answer isn't a simple yes or no, because it depends entirely on what you mean by your record. Let's break it down into the three main areas people worry about: your criminal record, your credit report, and general public records. First, and most importantly, let's be crystal clear about your criminal record. Small claims court is a civil court, not a criminal court. You are there to resolve a monetary dispute, not because you've been accused of a crime. This means a small claims case will never, ever show up on your criminal record. You cannot go to jail over a small claims case. So if an employer runs a standard criminal background check, nothing about small claims will appear. This is a huge relief for most people. However, a small claims case does create a public record. Court proceedings in the United States are generally open to the public. This means that the case filing, which includes your name, the other party's name, and the nature of the dispute, becomes part of the public courthouse files. In many counties, these records are even searchable online. So, if someone was specifically looking for civil lawsuits involving you, they could potentially find it. The next big concern is your credit report. This is where the consequences can be more serious, but it's not automatic. Simply being sued in small claims court, or even suing someone else, does not get reported to the credit bureaus. It has no initial impact on your credit score. The danger comes if you lose the case and a judgment is entered against you. A judgment is a formal court order stating that you legally owe the other person money. If you fail to pay that judgment, the person who won the lawsuit, now called the judgment creditor, can report that unpaid debt to the credit bureaus. An unpaid civil judgment is a major negative item that can devastate your credit score and stay on your report for up to 7 years. The key takeaway here is this: it's not the lawsuit that hurts your credit, it's the unpaid judgment after you lose. If you lose and you pay the judgment promptly, it should never appear on your credit report. So, will a potential landlord or employer see it? A standard criminal check won't show it. But a more comprehensive background check, which is common for rental applications, might include a search of civil court records. A landlord is definitely interested to know if you've been sued for unpaid rent or eviction before. For most jobs, it's unlikely they will dig this deep, but for positions that involve handling money or have high security clearance, a civil court search is possible. So to summarize, small claims court does not go on your criminal record. It does create a public civil record. And it will only appear on your credit report as a major negative mark if you lose the case and then refuse to pay the court-ordered judgment. I hope this clears up the confusion and helps you understand the real-world impact of a small claims case. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of common legal questions. Thanks for watching.